Keto-Diet Chicken Curry Recipe, Creamy Coconut, Low Carb. Craving curry on keto? Spice things up with this creamy coconut chicken dish. Packed with flavor and just 5 grams net carbs per serving, it's a guilt-free feast for 4 servings. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 large onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon ginger, grated, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, half a teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional 1 can, 14 ounces, full-fat coconut milk, 1 cup chicken broth, 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces, half cup bell peppers, red, yellow, or orange, sliced, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Heat olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Stir in garlic and ginger, cook for 1 minute more. 2. Add curry powder, turmeric, cumin, and cayenne pepper, if using, stir to coat. Cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. 3. Pour in coconut milk and chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. Bring to a simmer. 4. Add chicken pieces and stir to coat in sauce. Cover pot and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until chicken is cooked through. 5. Stir in bell peppers and simmer for 5 minutes more, until softened but still crisp. 6. Remove from heat and stir in cilantro. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Tips: serve over cauliflower rice or your favorite low-carb noodles for a complete meal. Add a dollop of full-fat Greek yogurt for extra creaminess. Substitute chicken with shrimp or tofu for a variation. Get creative with the vegetables. Broccoli, zucchini, and spinach are all keto-friendly additions. Leftovers store well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Macros per serving, approximate. Calories, 450. Fat, 35 grams. Net carbs, 5 grams. Protein, 40 grams. Enjoy this vibrant and satisfying keto-friendly curry. With its warm spices and creamy coconut sauce, it's sure to become a new family favorite. And remember, customize it to your taste buds and dietary needs. That's the beauty of home cooking.